Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a Toyota Corolla back bumper. First, carefully assess the damage to your bumper. Is it a minor scratch, a dent, or a crack? This initial step helps you decide if a simple repair is possible or if a full replacement is needed. We'll cover both scenarios, ensuring you have the right approach. Gathering your tools beforehand will make the process much smoother. For minor scratches, start by cleaning the area well with soap and water. Small dents can often be gently pushed out from behind or carefully heated with a heat gun to restore their shape. Once the surface is smooth, apply touch-up paint or a scratch repair kit. Remember to use thin, even coats for the best finish, allowing each layer to dry completely. When dealing with cracks or holes, preparation is key. Clean the area and sand around the crack to create a good surface for adhesion. Use a plastic repair kit or a two-part epoxy specifically designed for automotive plastics. Apply the filler, allowing it to cure fully. Afterward, sand the repaired section smooth, then prime it, ready for painting. Now for the painting. Apply several thin, even coats of color-matched paint, allowing each coat to dry according to the product instructions. This prevents drips and ensures a consistent finish. Once the color is dry, apply a clear coat. This protects your repair and gives it a professional, glossy look. Let it cure completely before driving.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.